Let's make some chicken skewers. 600-gram chicken thighs, red bell pepper, some salt and oregano, and of course some skewers. Cut the pepper. Marinate the chicken with salt and oregano. Mix, mix, mix. Then put the chicken and pepper on the skewers. Please be careful of the sharp point. Put them together one by one. Then voila, you get 5 beautiful chicken skewers. This time I'm using an electric grill. It's much more convenient than the traditional ones or a gas hob. It does produce some smoke, but I'm loving the result. I cook it for about 15 minutes, and here you go, a very easy cooking dinner, BBQ Chicken Skewers. Now let me finish this for my dinner. It is very delicious. I will see you all next time. Bye now.